We're trying to have sex up here.
What if you found an extraordinary love?
My wife is the most amazing woman. She's got 600 different kinds of smiles. And they can light you up. They can make you laugh out loud. And they can make you cry just like that.
That grew into a beautiful family.
This is you. Not inside the dress, inside the body. How did I get in there?
That's a whole other set of videos.
What if it was better than you ever dreamed it could be?
Hey, am I gonna like this?
And what if it wasn't as perfect as it seemed?
We should do this much more often because we can afford this.
Not unless they comp the drinks.
What's that supposed to mean?
Bringing you out at the end of an evening is not as fun as it used to be. What happened?
I went for a drink.
Thought you quit.
I did. You don't know what I go through. You don't have a clue.
How come we haven't talked about this?
How come we haven't talked about a lot of things?
What I do now?
You think this is about you?
My wife hurts. I need to say, what's wrong, honey?
Michael, I am just hanging on here.
What is wrong with our home? Is it the couch? Is it the area around what could possibly be me?
It's not your problem.
No, it's not my problem. It's just my fault.
I am not your problem to solve.
What would you do?
I messed up, baby. But I'm fighting my way back.
And what would you give to get it back?
I tried everything. And I am so scared that you don't know how much I love you.
When a man loves a woman, can't keep his mind on nothing else. He changed the world for the good thing he's found.
Touchstone Pictures presents Andy García and Meg Ryan.
I love you.
I love you.
When a man loves a woman.